Hi there, welcome back to Violin Inspiration. My name is Julia and today I arranged a song for you which is called Love Story from Taylor Swift. And it was a lot of work to arrange this song, and I arranged it like this so you can play along with the original recording, so it's exactly at the same height. It will take a while to learn it. It's quite a long song and quite challenging, but in the end it will sound really good and I really like the song, so I really hope you like it as much as me. Without further ado, let's get started. Love Story from Taylor Swift starts on the A string on the second finger, and this is a high second finger. And then we play. Let's break that down together. So we were both young, so 2, 3, 3, 3, when I still saw you, so 3, 2, 3, E, 3, so we were both young when I first saw you. Next line, I close my eyes and the flashback starts. Third line, I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. So in fingers it will be 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 0, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, E, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is part A. So this was the part from We Were Both Young until Balcony in Summer Air. Now we are getting to part B. First learn part A and only then go on with the next part. Part B goes like this. See the lights, see the party, the balcony. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. Then we are getting to part C. Part C starts on the A3, and the text that belongs to it is that you were Romeo until and I said. So we start here. That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. Remember, here's a low 2. In all the other parts it was a high 2. On the E string we have a low 2. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. That was part C. Now we get to the chorus. Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So that is the chorus. After the chorus we are getting back to part A. So then you're playing the notes that you learned in part A again. So I sneak out the garden to see you will be the same as We Were Both Young when I first. I sneak out of the garden to see you. So there you're repeating part A again. You can check on the tabs I wrote down to see exactly which part to play. After that, you will have to play part C again. You can find the tabs in the description bar. Part C, so after part A, you're skipping part B and you're directly going to part C. So because you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter. That will be the same notes as that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles. So that you were Romeo, riding that will be the same. After that, you're getting back to the chorus, and that will exactly the same as the chorus we've learned before. So Romeo saved me, trying to how to feel this part. Then we have oh oh. She sings oh oh. This will be an E1. Oh is the next O will be an E, and then it will be an E1 again. Oh. That is what she sings. After that, we are getting to part D. That's a new part, so I'm going to explain to you how to play it. And part D is the part that goes like, I got tired of waiting, wondering if you are ever coming around. So I'm going to show you how to play that on the violin. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said. Then we are going back to part C. Romeo save me, I've been feeling so alone. That will be the same note as part C. So after that, repeat part C. Then there's a modulation in the song, which means that the song, like the chords of the song, get higher, and we are playing the same melody but on a higher pitch. So right now I'm going to show you how to play the last refrain, the last chorus and the last. So now I'm going to show you how to play the last chorus, and the last chorus is higher than all the other choruses, so it's different. So I'm going to show you. Marry me, Julia, you'll never have to be alone. I'll still love you, and that's all I really know. I'll talk to your dad, we'll pick out the white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Then she sings oh, so oh. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw you. And in this last part, the A3 is high, so it's a high 3. So that's the whole song. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful to you, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.